Hey guys, Lucas Creations here, and I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite way how to cut out a photo in Photopea. So you grab the pen tool, you change it to path, and then you go as precisely as you can across your image that you want to cut out. Get pretty precise if you can. Just do the best that you can. Around these corners it's going to be pretty tough for me to. Then you click Make Selection, okay, select Inverse, Backspace, boom, and then Control D, and you grab your eraser, you zoom in by using Control Plus, you can get whatever size you want, and you go through and you get rid of all the rest of your colors, or, once you're done with that, you go and you grab the magic wand, you click on that color, delete. Boom. Now I have a perfectly cut out Apple Watch. So if you guys want to see anything else, you can also just do the magic wand in the beginning too. So if you guys want to see anything else, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys later. Peace.